Hello everyone, today is 23rd August 2021. Lot of rain in the past 2 days. So if you can hear the sound of the stream, I'll try to take you close, but I don't know if I can show you the water because now it is lot of you can see the forest, right, kind of. So anyway, I want to show you before going that. It is now around 7 p.m. going to sunset soon. So this is the, I can say maybe third batch of these blooms, these rose, small. I forgot the variety name, but this is the third batch. So you can see so many blooms. So I'll try to record another day also because I think the sunlight is coming from the behind the blooms, so it is giving a different look. But anyway, whatever it is, I just wanted to share with you. Then that is one Pikachu hydrangea. That is one Pikachu hydrangea. So lot of information was not mentioned, but it is one type of paniculata hydrangea. So let me see how it will work. I have planted it next to this hibiscus. So let's see. I need to clean this bed. And behind that I have planted this. This is, I think, strawberry and cream lace cap hydrangea. When I bought, since then these flowers are facing downwards. So but I like the way it looks, any kind of lace cap hydrangea. So that's why when I bought the bobo hydrangea, I found this lace cap strawberry and cream hydrangea plant. Only one was available, but I have many paniculata hydrangea, but I do not have many lace cap hydrangea. That's why now I am, whenever I see a new variety of lace cap hydrangea, I am trying to collect, because I have watched few other YouTubers. After I think 3 to 5 years, they grow into a very good size to reflect like a masterpiece in the garden. I mean, with lot of blooms, and what I mean to say is I love it, and I just planted here, assuming that I'm not sure in the full shade it will survive or not. So this is where you can see where it is, where I'm standing under the tree. On the right side of the big tree I'm standing, because in front of that, those are the plants. So here generally I was not planting a lot, thinking it is kind of being hidden by other area to see. But for hydrangea, I think in the morning they get nice sun on this side. Here, this area, only the land is little bit like flat, inclined, not flat. So and I had made my border like this, which I will extend after maybe in October, November, when these weeds will suppress, thinking that I have planted here. And I needed like bigger space also around it, which time it may grow into, I think, 6 by 6 feet. So thinking that I have enough space here. And let me show you another lace cap hydrangea. This is my first lace cap hydrangea that I planted last year, and it was completely pink when I bought. Lot of pink blooms, exactly like this, but they are pink, all pink. So I thought, thinking that it will bloom pink, thinking that one big leaf pink blooming hydrangea I have planted there, so that after few years I will have lot of pink collection in one area. In that kind of design thinking, I planted the big leaf pink color. That also, the if you see the green, it has faded the color, but it was pink initially. So thinking that, anyway, first I planted this last year, and that I have planted this year. So last year I have planted this, it was pink, but this year when it bloomed, they all bloomed blue. These were all blue when they started, and I think it is more than 1.5 months they have been there. So slowly they changed their color from pink to little bit slowly purple, and then they turned into kind of pink now. So I think these are, you can say, I think this is the face. Now I don't know why, if this is the way they turn their face, because this is the face. If you see, this is the face. Oh, now I am observing. They all turned their face. Okay, anyway. So this is my first lace cap hydrangea, and so behind this, here I have planted, that is one big leaf pink color. The next one is blue big leaf hydrangea, and far away if you see, they are also pink, because when I bought that, I bought two big leaf pink color, endless summer, you can say, that kind of hydrangea. Anyway, and this is also like I have planted under the tree, so here it is like lot of shade they get, so they will do well, thinking like that. So let me take you my second one. This is my first lace cap, or I think they say this is some twist or something, the name I can verify later. So this is my first lace cap I planted. I will show you. I have second one I planted last year. So this is another big leaf, but it is 3 years old. It was very small when I planted. So on the first year, it was very tiny, and kind of 50% of this size, current size I can say. And last year also, it had few branches, new branches, but no bloom. Only this year it has bloomed. So earlier I was thinking it did not bloom, but I did not know. Maybe I trimmed the lot of branches which are supposed to bloom. Because of that, it did not bloom last year. But anyway, this is the first year it bloomed. So close to this is one hydrangea I planted last year. This is one hydrangea I planted last year. Because of the sunset, the light is like looking like that. So this is another variety of lace cap. I forgot the name. I can show you the tag. And this is my second variety of lace cap, and this is supposed to be blue, but my other one bloomed blue. So this one, how it will bloom, I do not know. And again, maybe I have trimmed the branches that is supposed to bloom this year. So I will remember not to trim these. Even if they are damaged in winter, I will not trim, so that I can make sure next year it will bloom. So till last year I did not know, for big leaf we should not trim all the branches. And anyway, this is also second lace cap hydrangea. Then I came here. This is a climbing rose that I planted this year, I think maybe 2.5 months ago. So this is heavily fragrant. I think this is the only, after damask rose, this is the heavily fragrant. And see the petals, I forgot the name, but it is heavily fragrant. Because they are facing downwards, so I'm trying to show you. So I did not expect it to bloom this year, but it bloomed. So it feels so good with this fragrance. I think you can hear the sound of the river, the stream. So now I am here to show you these blooms little bit. So in the rain, the main branch leaned towards east. Let me take you little to the center. See, this also leaned towards east. Crocosmia, all blooms gone. See the Millennium Beauty, color, purple color is gone. See after the rain, the effect. So now the third, this branch also leaned. Oh my god, if you can, I don't know how you can compare. So this also fell because 3 branches were standing. Now all except those 2, all are falling down. Anyway, this is the status after heavy rain. See those bloom, sunflower bloom. Last time I saw only 1 bloom, and now how many blooms? So many, right? See this Vizela, this is my 3-year-old Vizela. At that time I did not know, I just wanted to have one, and this was available, so I planted it. And first year I struggled a lot with the deer, they were eating every new branches. But last year it was able to survive, and this year, and I saw this year lot of blooms, and that's how I learned it is a very good plant to include in the garden. And that's why this year again, and wherever I found new variety, I have added the Vizela more and more. So in the spring they bloom a lot. So I'm just showing you, this is the status after heavy rain. Past 2 days it rained so much. Like yesterday, continuously it was raining, continuously raining heavily. See from here you can see. I just wanted to show you the difference. See these branches, lot of branches are down. See this beauty. I'll take you there because lot of cosmos were there. See branches. See now my these long beans, so many to harvest. See how they are looking. Just 2 days ago they were beautiful. I took lot of pictures from there, and see now their condition. It was the most beautiful cosmos. Now I came behind this sunflower to show. In the wind also it was blowing. So let me take you a little closer. See how this is beautiful. See this? I am behind this zinnia to show you this beauty. And I will end today's video here. Thank you for watching.